Shivani as usual. Today's topic is all about what you guys wanted. I asked you on my Instagram, and I'm going to insert a picture here that I asked you guys if you guys want to see a Lebanon haul. So you all said yes, and I've come up with it. So let me tell you a little backstory of this Lebanon thing. So what happened was, after my birthday, my brother had traveled to Lebanon. I did plan to go, but I was very dicey, so I didn't. I wish I could have. So what happened was, he went to Lebanon on a trip. So I told him, okay, you can go, I have no problem, but I have these conditions, this list. You have to get them. If you don't get them, I'll not let you enter the house. So as I asked him everything to get, the whole list I told him, he got everything, and I love you and thank you so much, Krishna, for it. So let me show you what all he got for me. So I'm going to only show you the basic things he got for me that are really necessary to my subscribers. The other things, he got a lot of things, but that I don't think they're really necessary to show in the haul. So basic things I'm going to show you, and most of the things I wanted, and yeah. So let's begin. So guys, these are really basic things. They are part of makeup, electronics, shoes and all. So stay tuned and let's see what it is. Guys, before continuing to the video, so I've been receiving a lot of DMs regarding, in my TikToks, in my stories, in my videos, in my vlogs, that what lipstick do I use. So today's shade is this one from Lakme, 925. It's the shade MR18 Maroon Mix. It's really nice. I've been using this from the past 3 years. So it's amazing. I love it. So this was the first ever lipstick I applied, you can say, like in my teenage thing, teenage space or teenage years. So yeah, I like it. Okay, so guys, let's begin with makeup as usual, my favorite. So this is from MAC. Mostly is from MAC. There are other stuff that are not from MAC. So this is from the duty free. He got some from the duty free and some he got them from the actual MAC store. Okay, so first I have is this mini MAC lip gloss. I wanted a really small one, so I just got this one. Prices, I'm not sure if he got the bill and all with him. So this is how it looks. I haven't used it. I haven't used any makeup yet. So yeah. Okay, then next up I have is this NW35 concealer. I don't know if you guys remember, and some of I have done 2 makeup hauls, so in that I'm going to link them up. I've always talked about this concealer that I love, the one I always talk like it's a liquid, it's long. This is my favorite concealer from MAC. It looks like this. You should definitely use it. It gives a lot of coverage and it's amazing. Okay, so first I have is this. He got this bracelet from me. It looks like this. I'm gonna put a video of me wearing it. Next he got me these earrings. I don't think if you guys can see. Okay, it's like this one I have worn, similar to it. Next up I have another bracelet. Guys, trust me, let me tell you one thing. I am not a jewelry fan, but it's so nice that he thought of me and he got me these, even though he knows I don't wear a lot of jewelry. Okay, next one is this bracelet. Earrings. This is basically the Lebanon's flag tree, that it's in the Lebanon flag. It's the tree in it. So yeah, it represents that. It's really cute. And of the symbol, I love the symbol. I have another chain of that also. It's like basically from Arab thing. It's like a symbol of Arab, something related to, you know, also I think the evil eye, something related, not exactly that. And then next he got me, this is the last thing he got me, the jewelry. This is a bracelet of like the tree and all. So yeah, thank you, Kishu. So let's move forward to the duty free package. See, it's sealed. I haven't opened it at all. It's from the Beirut duty free. Okay, let's open it. Okay, first up I have this. It's the makeup palette from L'Oreal Paris. I haven't opened it yet. I love, see, it's something like, you know, it's like you can also, it's something like a satisfaction thing. Let me open it. Okay, it's $22. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, it's $22. Let me open it. These are the colors in there. It's beautiful. And it has Paris written on it. So yeah, he got me this. Okay, next up I have is this Clos Mon Amour illuminator. So there's this girl on TikTok I've seen. So what she basically does is, before applying her foundation or concealer, she applies this. It's basically like a shimmer thing, and after that she applies her foundation and all. So it really looks nice, and it gives another glow, because there's a whole glowy effect before your foundation. So this is how it looks. Can't wait to try it. Okay, let me open it. It's like this. I'd ordered once the same thing before from an Insta page, but it got lost. As in, we received it, but it got lost in the house itself by someone. This is also $22. $22. This is the L'Oreal Paris More Than Concealer. So I've heard a lot about this concealer, and it's for all skin types and all skin shades. This is $16, so I can't wait to try it. I'm also gonna, you know, anytime you guys wanna see if I've used this product or no, so you can go to my Insta page. I normally put makeup videos there, so you can see in the description I put all the makeup products what I've used, so you can check it out there. Yeah, so here we are done with the makeup department, the jewelry department. Let's move on to the electronic department. So it's not a very huge thing, it's just one thing. So I've been wanting this for so long. I've been wanting this before I started my YouTube channel. That is last year June, before, like in mid-June I wanted it. I didn't start my YouTube channel yet. I had saw it, I'd seen it, I had borrowed it from someone. So I'd seen it, I didn't really use it, but I liked it. So yeah, ta-da! So I got this. I don't know what they really call this thing. So basically this is the Fun Snap brand. It's the Capture 2 Smooth Your Story. So basically this is something I've heard that, you know, it's like basically like what do they call it? Basically like a tripod, kind of like that. So basically if you move this side, it moves with you, you move that side, it moves with you. So basically like that. And rather than holding the phone like that continuous, and it gives, you know, like arm pain and all, so it's nice to hold it like a stand and all. Basically little like a selfie stick. So I'm opening it. I got this for $90 US. I'm opening it in front of you. Whew. So it's like this from inside, and let's open it. So it looks like this from inside. It has this little, it has its charger, I guess. Yeah, this is its charger, and it comes with something else also. Like this, you can charge through this also. Okay, then I have, I'll put a little reel or TikTok once I'm using it, like a little behind the scene for you guys to know. So basically it looks like this. I like how it looks. Okay, so let's begin with shoe number 1. 1, not 11. Okay, so I got these shoes. Some of 2 of them, I think 3 of them I've worn them. So I'm going to insert a picture that you can see I've worn it in that also. Okay, so guys, this is the first shoe. If you know, I'm a fan of pink and nude colors like purple. No, I mean pink, nude colors and etc. like purple, like that. So here we go. This is the first one. Next one. So this one I have worn it already. I'm going to insert a picture here, and I love it. I know this has been a long time with it. I've been wanting it. I had bought it once, but it got lost. So finally I got to wear it. Even though it was a little tight, but it was okay. Yeah. So second one, something really similar to it. I haven't worn this, so yeah, something similar to it. And this was my favorite. I loved it. So this one, I have a picture in this, but I'm not sure really if the shoe shows, so I'm going to insert it here. So yeah guys, this was it for the Lebanon haul, and hope to see you guys next week. Hope you had fun, hope you liked the stuff. So if you are looking for these stuff and have some contacts in Lebanon or want a proper picture of it, please do DM me. I'll be really happy to share it with you. And also about the shoes, I'm not sure about the price and all. So yeah, so this was it for for this Lebanon haul. Thank you so much guys for all your support, and please do like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications of my videos. Do follow my Instagram to get updates about every week's video or any other thing. So yeah, bye bye guys.